So put half or full?
Full.
Oh, max.
And to me, you know why I smell good and not dugyo. I do it twice. Okay.
You wash it twice?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then press this one.
Power.
And then if it's white, put in your white.
Bright whiteness.
Do it like that. But if it's regular, like the pants, put it in there.
Okay.
And then press.
Play.
That's it.
Wow, dude, that's easy.
Yeah. And so after, if it's white, go put again. The same thing. And then put this detergent. This one. Softener in there.
So every time you put softener or the second time?
No, second time. The first time. If it's dirty, like you see did you see your coverall? So dirty.
It's gross, dude.
I clean it.
I don't know what I did
now
with there.
you can check.
It's nice and clean.
Yeah.
I went under a house with that.
Yeah.
It's gross seeing all
This
what the
one.
hell is on there.
This, I told your dad you to buy this one for the white one. I soak it.
Clorox.
Remember?
Clorox too.
Yeah, remember, but it's only white. Towels and the detergent, the softener, and the what is that?
Bleach.
Bleach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it. And thanks God, oh my God, this is helpful. Even the dishwasher balloon. In the Philippines, they don't have.
You use this heater?
Yeah, nice.
That is nice.
See my thing? So clean.
Wow, Dad put that there. The holder.
Oh, you don't know that? It's been a long time.
I don't think I've ever seen that.
Yeah. But he wants to fix it. Said, see ours? It's disgusting. And the one, it's been a long time, the crack.
Oh.
You know what Jackson said? Who's that? Who's responsible for those? I said, of course your Lilo. Why did he let like that crack? He should fix it. He said like. That's why he said, clean your bathroom, anak ko.
Okay.
Even your